of the so-called clean governance slate. But what is emerging is contradicting what himself and those around him have been telling the public. The political fallout and Ramaphosa's position. Cyril Ramaphosa has not publicly acknowledged or commented on his past or current political relationship with Brown Mokgotsi in the context of the recent police scandal. Okay? His actions, of course, have been focused on addressing the allegations made by Commissioner Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. So establishing the Madlanga Commission, Ramaphosa's primary response has been to establish the Judicial Commission of Inquiry led by Acting Deputy Chief Justice Mbuyiseni Madlanga. This commission's mandate is